hazard.
How's your asshole
Copy.
feel?
Copy.
How's your asshole feel?
It's good. It's good.
Better?
You made it.
How's it smell in here?
Well, it smells like dookie. Damn!
Anybody got an N54, N95, whatever the fuck it's called?
I was going to shit on the sidewalk. That's how bad it was.
Oh my god, bro!
Are you serious?
Dude, fucking no respect.
I couldn't hold it.
Oh god.
Napkins.
Oh no!
I was about to say there was no toilet paper, so I was like, fuck. So I thought Jason would tell Will to bring you some napkins.
Oh my god! Sick fucks, bro. Ross. Right here. Somebody call an ambulance. Somebody call an ambulance. This man is not well.
Call the damn ambulance.
This man is not well.
You don't want to lose that. Those things are $500.
How's the stomach feel?
On your car, outside the car.
Yesterday, though,
Get it safely and not
I was dying.
This man looked yellow as fuck. Always a sucker for good looking F80s, man. Sparkos, half cage. Looks like Smarty Cam. Let's see if I can focus on it. There we go. Pretty stock interior aside from the bucket and the driver's seat and the cage. The Apex wheels, the Man King CR1s, I think. APR wings, so we've got some aero. And then up here in front, he's got some canards and a front lip. Super nice. That looks really nice. Good looking car.
Oh shit!
Will just met Will right now. Holy shit. These fools had an epiphany right now. Oh my god, a realization. My long lost brother. Oh shit. So this is Will's car. I just met him today. He came up from Washington.
Yes, sir.
Fuck man, long ass way. He's gonna hit Laguna tomorrow too, so he's getting the 2-for-1 up here in NorCal. I'm a sucker though, man. These look so good. Can't wait for Danny to add some aero. Gonna be riding this for a session. The Duke's M4 Resurrected MCS 3-ways. This fool's also got the Smarty Cam hooked up, 6-speed manual, 981? Houndstooth.
Once in the last year.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
What are we guessing on time?
Dude, I have no idea.
Come on, you were talking all that shit in the chat. Come on now.
I mean, I'm a pretty optimistic guy, but
Yeah.
I don't think I'll hit it. But obviously, a 145 would be pretty spicy.
Okay, all right.
I'm not gonna get it, but that's the goal.
Nah, I believe in you, bro. Look at 145.
I think I'll be lucky if I'm sub 50.
Yeah.
Not today, tomorrow. These are some old ass tires.
Oh, okay, so you're just kind of just getting seat time today.
Today's just kind of learning the track.
Okay.
We have a card.
What about you?
45.
Let's go, baby. He's got the same expectations as a guy in an E36. Wow. Wow.
I'm not a good driver.
This thing's fucking wild. MX2 dash, right? I think that's what it is. And literally that's it. Fire suppression system, anti-gravity battery, Elion Motorsports, floorboard plates. Yeah, this thing's like everything's gone. Wires, everything. So you can see everything. Fuck. Gotta make sure it's focus. Yeah. It's cage. This cage work is insane too. All white. Stock S52 in here. MCS 3-ways? No, not even 3-ways, just 2-ways. No remotes in the rear. Look at this shit, man. Subframe done right. The suspenders. What do you think, Will?
It's fucking amazing. This is like how an E36 should be built.
Yeah,
like
this is
in
it, man.
full cage by Rally, bro. This shit looks beautiful.
I think if he adds aero, that's game over for
Yeah,
everyone.
if he adds the whole Zebulon package, he's cutting off at least 4 seconds off each little.
Yeah,
each
this car
track that
weighs
he hits.
pretty much nothing too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like barely touched.
Yeah.
How'd we do?
146.
Just a 46, huh? What about
I only have 48.3.
you? Oh, okay, just a 46. Okay, all right. Okay, we see what
my
kind of
age,
day
I
it's
guess
gonna be.
acceptable.
Huh?
For my age, it's kind of acceptable.
That's why I was trying to think.
46 in the shag wagon, man.
So most of you guys are good.
S54 swapped. We saw a little bit of it earlier. CAE shifter, completely gutted. JRZ RS2s, JZRS Pros. Fuck, can we get it? Can we get it? There we go. All right, how'd the first session go?
First session done, you know, we got late to the pre-grid, you know, we're in the back.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna pull one out of the Plug-in 369 novel, written by Augie Soto. There's a lot of traffic, I don't know what to say.
The poem
Yeah,
written
only
by
ran at 51, you know, so it's traffic, I don't know.
traffic. I don't got shit to say.
I ain't got shit
I ain't got shit to say.
I ain't got shit to say, man.
All right, we came to get some breakfast here at the hotel because these guys got like a 2-hour wait.
They
before
got
they're up.
A5 omelets,
A5 Wagyu omelet.
Wagyu butter with truffles.
Danny, what was the status of the track first session?
It was good. I mean, it was a little squirrely, I think, with the tires.
You're
but,
running what tires?
RE71 RS.
Tire review coming soon.
Tire review coming soon. You know, a lot of people are waiting on that one. So.
Yeah, and you're coming from the RT660, right?
RT660, and then actually the car had RE71R, the first one,
The first gen.
with like 25 heat cycles. Word to Augie.
Another quote from our boy.
Yeah, straight from the book of 369 novel, you know. But yeah, man, other than that, it's been a great day, and just taking it slowly.
We saw Vet
Come
Max
up to
Sauce.
10.
Session
Yeah.
got black fag.
Max sauce,
Max sauce
Fucking
action.
put his shit in the wall, man. It looked like it was stuck, like it was glued. Like somebody literally tossed his car into the wall and stuck
Yeah,
it there.
that sucked, man.
Ross! Ross, right here. Beautiful car. Beautiful. Sexy. Wow.
Yeah, I got the big tips, boy.
got back with Jason. What'd we run?
47?
47.6.
Yeah.
He easily could have made up half a second too. We got caught up in traffic at the crucial part of the hairpin.
Yeah, then made a little bit of a sussy vodka pass, turn 8, turn 9.
Yep. Yeah, dude, I forgot about that. You passed him on the same fucking lap. This guy's got easily 45 by the end of the weekend. Probably a 44.
This guy?
Yeah. Probably a 44. Let's go, baby. You didn't want to put him on, but fuck it. Let's end it. Dude, his car's downforce compared to yours. This thing, like,
I bet.
it's fucking insane.
Get fucked, dude.
Get fucked, dude.
Kenny, come watch some football with me. So how'd it go? Day 1 in the books?
Day 1 in the books. You know, still getting the hang of the car again.
Uh-huh.
Excuse after excuse. I don't got no excuse. I ain't got
You
shit
guys
to
are all
say,
taking
you
the
know?
shit out of 369 novel.
Yeah.
Poems
so,
by Augie, poems by Danny.
Yeah. There's been a lot of cars, Max saucing it.
Yeah,
so.
we saw what? A C8, a C6,
AMG,
AMG
GT.
GTR, and then over here just now, you guys can see this shit. My God. These guys just crashed into each other. Crashed into each other. Danny saw it all. What happened?
E36 was coming in. I think that's turn 12, right?
Turn 11.
Turn
the last
11.
turn, the hairpin over here, down at the end.
Turn 11, E36 coming in hot. Tries to dive bomb the shit out of the E92. He wasn't really being predictable with the E92 seeing him, so they met at the pretty much at the apex of the turn, you know?
Could it have been that he was braking way too late?
The E36 did brake late as fuck.
Yeah.
The other guy was going obviously at a much slower pace. Maybe
Yeah.
it was like his outlap or something, I don't know. But they just literally met fender to fender, dude. And
Yeah, that
there it
front
is.
left looks fucked. Really? It's here already? Oh shit. Oh shit. I ain't gonna record that, but yeah, guys, it's fucked. Check back in a sec. Alright, Danny, PB, what did it end?
dude, well,
I don't want to hear the fucking excuses.
but
Just
the
give
last
me-
PB that was recorded was a 154. Sorry as fuck. I feel like this past session I did really well, but for some reason my aim keeps getting thrown off. It says 356. You know, so maybe I am running a 356 pace, but that's fucking impossible.
I mean,
Not even M Junkie could run a 3. Well, actually he could, huh?
he could
Yeah,
do that. He
356.
could.
I guess it's doable. But I ain't got shit to say, bro. We'll see tomorrow.
Okay, all right. Jason, what did it
End
finish?
of the day, 46. No, 47.6.
47.4. I think,
6, 4, 4.
I think so. But you got the 46 in the bag. I
Yeah.
think honestly tomorrow you're gonna be aiming towards a 45, 44.
Yeah, we're gonna throw on some new AR1s. Shout out Dwayne at our compound. Yeah, we're gonna get to it. Well, Gabe's gonna get to it since he's swapping my wheels.
Fuck you. That's all right. I'm gonna drive this tomorrow. Also, Danny wants me to show him how to drive it, so I'm about to figure this out. All right, here we go. Day 2.
Let's go, baby.
Holy God. That came right back at me, bro.
Seriously?
What?
1 minute later.
Oh no!
Fuck!